Good afternoon. Today is day 23 of the 30-day content challenge. And the prompt for today is to do a throwback post, reshare some of my earliest piece of content and explain how far I've come. So what I want to do is I'm going to post below this video some content that I had. It's basically an article I wrote for Easing Articles about the value of a lead magnet. And a lead magnet basically is something where you offer something in exchange for a person's name, probably, and some information about them. Mainly, you want their email, and you want them to know if you want to draw people into your funnel that are interested. And so your lead magnet is designed to do that. And I've hopefully I've learned more and more as I've gotten better at this as I'm dealing with this. But as I reflected on what I've learned and whatnot, I also wanted to talk about the value of the Home Business Academy and the 30-minute workday, and what Nick Bramble and Paul Hutchings and Mike Cobb have put together. That's really amazing. And I just have been dealing with this over this challenge, and how much value I have to there's so much value there that I'm minute by minute trying to learn things and new things and acquiring things, and I'm there's just way more information than I can handle at one time, and I think, but I in little chunks I'm starting to get it, and the challenge is, Amy Starr Allen started the challenge, and she's just a wealth of information and encouragement and a whole bunch of things. And she was talking, I was looking at her, she went over the 30-minute workday and talks about the value of it. And basically it's set up so that as an affiliate, you get a huge commission, and the commissions from the funnel to the premium and on, and the Launchpad and all of that can create some serious income. And that is my dream. I have other ideas for earning money online, and all of those tools will be valuable in helping me to develop the other lines of money that I want to, other angles of business that I want to develop. And so those things are things I want to share with you, and I want to point out. And so anyway, I wanted to show you what the article is. I want to share my screen, and let me see here. Share, and I wanted to bring this up. And oops, wrong thing. I'm going to share this. This is what the article looks like. And I've written a bunch of articles, I've written about 7 or 8. And they from a whole bunch of different things. And some of them were from years ago. So I've got a lot of stuff on there. But this was about lead magnets, and I thought it was a pretty interesting article. And so I wanted to share it again with you. And this is also an area where you can create content too. So I wanted to share that and go from there. So basically, let's see, where do I want to go? Let me close this and stop sharing. And I'm back to here. So anyway, the that is my prompt for today, or my content for today. And I just want to tell you all that I'm getting to know people. I'm getting to learn people's names, and we share things. And so I really feel like I'm growing in what I'm knowing, what to do and how to do it better. And so I wanted to share that, and I'll talk with you later. Have a good evening.